How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Okay, from our live classes, you have learnt about the lesson, isn't it? Did you all get textbook? Yes? Okay. Did you open it? Yes? Okay, my dears. So, today I am just reading and explaining. Okay. Today I am going to read the lesson. So, you have to read the lesson. Okay, everybody should read the lesson. Huh? Okay, everybody should read at least 3 or 4 times. Okay, then only you will improve. Huh? Reading habit should improve. Okay, so you have to read the textbook. Also, you have to write and study the meanings. There are a lot of activities. Okay, exercises in a lesson. That also you have to study. Okay, everything I will upload in the LMS platform. Okay, so you can just copy from there. All the answers will be there. Then you just copy and write it. Okay, okay, my dears. So we are going to read the lesson today. Do you know the name of the lesson is The Milkman of India. Okay, all of you take your textbook. Let's read. Ready? Okay. Open. Here, you can see, let's start over here, isn't it? Huh? Do you know these interesting facts? There is a question. Okay. Huh? Do you know these interesting facts? The World Milk Day is celebrated on June 1st. Okay, when do we celebrate Milk Day? It is on 1st June, correct? Okay, and one more thing, it is very interesting. India is the largest producer of milk in the world. Okay, India is the largest producer of milk in the world. Okay, okay children, let's read. Think of all your favorite milk products. You can just think about all your milk products. Butter, cheese, curd, paneer. Yummy, isn't it? What do you mean by yummy? Yummy is tasty. What are they made of? That is for us, isn't it? Today, we can easily get all these yummy foods, isn't it? Who do you think helped to make it possible? Don't you want to know? He was none other than Dr. Verghese Kurian, who is known as the Milkman of India. Come, let's read about him. Okay? So we are going to read the lesson. Listen to me. Okay, earlier there were two situations across the country. Okay, earlier there were two situations across the country. Farmers from small villages found it hard to sell their milk. Okay, so on the other hand, in some parts of the country, milk was not available in sufficient quantities. Both these problems were solved by milk societies. Here there is a new word, isn't it? Societies. Just underline every hard words which is new to you. You can underline and find out the meanings. You can just go through the dictionary if you have and find out the meanings. Okay, that will be good. Okay, my dears. Both these problems were solved by milk societies that paid the farmers on time. Okay. Now, there was enough milk for all, and milk lovers like you and me could now buy milk at a cheap price. Okay. What did you understand from this paragraph? Yeah, okay. There were two situations which they cannot sell their milk. Farmers from small villages found it hard to sell their milk, isn't it? And one more thing, in some parts of the country, milk was not available in sufficient quantity. What do you mean by sufficient? Sufficient means enough. Okay. So, it was not available in sufficient quantities. Both these problems were solved by milk societies. Have you heard about societies? Yes, it is an organization formed for a particular purpose, isn't it? Okay, so you have to underline the words which is difficult to you. Okay, then listen to me. It was Dr. Kurian who made this happen. Dr. Kurian's journey began in Anand, a place in Khaira district in Gujarat. His chance meeting with Tribhuvandas Patel, who led the cooperative movement, changed his life. Okay, do you know where is Anand? Yes, Anand is in Khaira district in Gujarat. Got it? Okay. His chance meeting with Tribhuvandas Patel. Do you know who is Tribhuvandas Patel? Yes, he is the founder of milk societies. Okay. Who led the cooperative movement, changed his life. Okay. And then next paragraph. Dr. Kurian admired the warm relationship Patel shared with the village farmers. Inspired by this, Dr. Kurian dedicated his life to the development of dairy cooperative called Amul, Anand Milk Union Limited. Okay, Dr. Kurian admired the warm relationship with Patel shared with the village farmers. Inspired by this, Dr. Kurian dedicated his life to the development of the dairy cooperative called Amul. Okay, form of Amul is Anand Milk Union Limited. Okay, got it? Okay, children, here there is two words which is highlighted. Dedicated. Okay, what do you mean by dedicated? Dedicated means spending one's time and effort on something meaningful. That is the meaning of dedicated. Got it? Clear? Okay, what do you mean by cooperative? Cooperative. It is an organization owned and run by its members. Clear? Okay, my dears. So, you got some new words here, isn't it? Okay, let's move on to the next paragraph. In the 1950s, the amount of milk produced was very less, which later reached a huge quantity. Okay, the biggest progress by Amul was its invention of milk powder and condensed milk. Okay, in 1950s, the amount of milk produced was very less. Okay, there were not enough, and then they could collect more and more milk. Okay, because they have milk societies now. Okay, okay, my dears. Now everybody is getting condensed milk and milk powders. Okay, who invented this? Yes, it is Amul. Okay, just because of Amul, we are getting condensed milk, milk powders and other things. Okay, like cheese, paneer, butter. Isn't it? Next paragraph. The famous Amul girl, the mascot of Amul, was suggested by Dr. Kurian. Mascot. Isn't it? The famous girl, the mascot of Amul, was suggested by Dr. Kurian. Okay. He introduced a Amul girl. Isn't it? Huh? Okay. What do you mean by mascot? A symbol that represents something which brings us good luck. Okay. Okay. Then let's see the next paragraph. He had also made a film on Amul called Mandan. Have you heard about Mandan? Have you heard about Mandan? Yes. In Sanskrit, Mandan means churning. Then tell me, what is the meaning of churning? Churning, shaking milk to produce butter. Shaking milk to produce butter. Okay, that is the meaning of churning. Okay, my dears. The film was jointly funded by 5 lakh farmers who contributed ₹2 each. Okay, so he started a film, no? So farmers were given ₹2 each and they could collect ₹10 lakh and made a film a grand success. Okay, clear? Okay, let's move on to the next page. Here it says, upon release, large crowds of farmers came to see the film, making it a huge success. Okay, here it says there were a lot of people. That means farmers came to see the film and made a grand success. Okay, they gave money and that is their film, isn't it? Okay, Dr. Kurian did not stop with the setting up of AMUL. He didn't stop. He started many institutions. So he started a child-centered school called Anandalaya. Okay, started a school called Anandalaya and many more. This nobleman, the milkman of India, who was born on 26 November 1921 at Kozhikode, that is in Calicut, isn't it? Your place. Okay, he was born on 26 November 1921 at Kozhikode. Okay, and passed away on 9th September. Passed away on 9th September 2012 at the age of 90. At the age of 90. Okay, and in his lifetime, he made India the world's largest milk producer. Okay, just because of Dr. Kurian, we are all getting milk products, isn't it? A lot of milk products like butter, cheese, curd, paneer and all, isn't it? And some are saying, I like ice cream, isn't it? I like ice cream. So what you have to do is, everybody should write at least 4 sentences about your favorite ice cream. Can you do that? Okay, that is one activity for you. Okay, so everyone like ice creams, so you can write it. Which is your flavor? You can write it. Okay, children? Okay, my dears. And then we have exercises. Page number 4, isn't it? Write true or false. Then fill in the blanks. Answer the following questions. Isn't it? So we have to see this also. Let me ask you a few questions from the textbook. Okay. Who benefited most from cooperative societies? Yes. It is farmers. You are right. Then, who funded the movie Bandhan that Dr. Kurian made? That is also farmers. Isn't it? Okay. Let's move on to the exercise part. Let's answer. First one, write true or false. First one, butter, cheese and paneer are milk products. Is it true? Yes, it is true. B. After the milk societies were set up, people could buy milk for a cheaper price. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Then C. Milk societies benefited both the farmers and the public. Is it true or false? Yes, it is also true. The AMUL mascot was a serious woman. Is it true? No, it's false. So you can write false. Then E. Dr. Kurian acted in the movie Bandhan. Is it true? No, it is false. So you can write false. Okay, second one, fill in the blanks. Money was paid to the dash on time. Can anybody say? Yes, it is farmers. You can write farmers. After the dash societies were set up, milk was available to everyone. Which is the answer? Yes, milk. After the milk societies were set up, milk was available to everyone. Let's see. A meeting with dash changed Kurian's life. A meeting with Tribhuvandas Patel changed Dr. Kurian's life. D. AMUL factory was set up in dash. Can you say? Yes. Amul factory was set up in Anand. Okay. Then E. Dash is the name of the school founded by Kurian. Yes, it is Anandalaya. Anandalaya is the name of the school founded by Dr. Kurian. Okay. Next. Third one. Answer the following questions. Name the institutions that were founded by Dr. Kurian. Tell me the answer. Yes. Dr. Kurian founded Amul Dairy and a school called Anandalaya. Okay. Next question. What was the biggest gain for the farmers of having cooperative societies? Can you say the answer? Okay. The biggest gain that farmers got out of cooperative societies was that they could sell their milk. Okay. Every answers will be in the LMS platform. So you can take it down. Okay. Okay children. Next one. Write a few lines about Amul. Okay. You have to write a few lines about Amul. Okay. Amul stands for, so you can write Amul stands for Anand Milk Union Limited. Anand is the place in Gujarat where Dr. Kurian founded Amul. Amul has helped farmers sell their milk. Got it? Clear? Okay. The next question. What was the situation like before the milk societies were started? Before the milk societies were started, farmers from small villages had trouble selling their milk, and people in other some parts of the country did not get enough milk. Okay? Then the last question is, Dr. Kurian is rightly called the milkman of India. So you have to explain. Okay? Milkman deliver milk. Clear? Dr. Kurian delivered milk to the whole of India through Amul. So Dr. Kurian is rightly called the milkman of India. Okay? Okay children, so we have learnt the lesson and then we did the exercises also. Okay, then you have to write in your notebook very clearly. You have to write the date, okay, and then first you have to write the meanings and then exercises one by one you can write. Okay children, let's find out. Thank you all. Bye-bye.